Are you looking for something nice and warm to serve during Christmas Eve dinner and New Year's Eve dinner as well, or simply just anytime during this colder season? Today, I'm going to show you how to make Christmas mocha the Chao way. And we are going to make it using instant coffee. So for those at home, this is the perfect drink that you can make during this holiday season. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Instant coffee, any brand will do. Chocolate, you can also use chocolate malt powder. I'm going to use condensed milk, also coffee creamer. And to make this a Christmas mocha, I am going to put a hint of mint. If you don't have mint, that's okay. You can replace this with chocolate syrup. And then just plain water. The recipe I'm going to make today is good for 6 ounces cup. You can always multiply the proportion if you would like to make a larger batch. And I prefer to use ceramic cups and also without a handle. The reason is because when it is really cold outside, you'd really like to wrap your hand around the mug. 2 cups of water, and we are going to bring this to a boil. Make sure you bring your water to a boil. With instant coffee, I find that the water has to be boiling so that you get that really good tasting coffee. I'm going to put my instant coffee there. Start with all the dry ingredients, and then I'm going to add my chocolate powder and then my coffee creamer. Stir to combine. Make sure that all the dry ingredients are fully dissolved before you add all your wet ingredients, which means condensed milk and your mint syrup. At this point, because I am using an electric hot plate, I'm going to switch it off, and I'm going to add my condensed milk. And now to add my Christmas taste to this, it is going to be mint syrup. I'm going to put 4 pumps, which is 30 ml. If you do not have mint syrup, you can also use chocolate syrup or even strawberry. That will also be perfect. And now I'm going to make sure that everything is well combined, and we are ready to serve our Christmas mocha. Note that I'm using hot water here instead of milk. If you'd like this to be more milky, you can replace the water with milk. But with instant coffee, I really prefer it to be less milky and more chocolatey and more coffee. And now we are ready with our hot Christmas mocha. It's time to serve them. You must make sure that you serve them whilst it's hot. Okay, I'm going to put them into my cups here. So I'm just going to make sure I split them into 4 equally. And we have our hot Christmas mocha. So I'm going to finish it off with some milk foam. If you don't know how to make milk foam, do check out my video on how to make hot milk foam for hot drinks. And then I'm going to finish off with some colors on top, just to make sure it is more Christmassy. You can also use crushed peppermint or even add some peppermint on there. And if you don't have these colors, then you can also use chocolate shavings. So I'm sure many of you would be able to find some chocolate and then grate it over your drink. So you can finish it off with chocolate shavings. Take your pick. This is my Christmas mocha using instant coffee. Okay, there you go. You can make holiday drinks, especially using instant coffee, and this time it's this delicious Christmas mocha. I'm going to try the one where I put chocolate shavings, and when it is really, really hot, it's just so nice to wrap your hand around the mugs to keep you warm. Okay, now this is really hot though. Okay. Wow, that absolutely tastes like Christmas. You know, when you have this minty chocolate and with that coffee, this is the perfect Christmas mocha if all you have at home is instant coffee. Please do try these recipes at home and let me know what you think. I can guarantee you will love it. Just instant coffee and all those ingredients that you can easily find where you are. That's all I have for today. I'm going to make another version of my Christmas mocha using French press coffee. Stay tuned. In the meantime, happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.